Alright everyone, looking at ACH here, so is the bottom end for Alchemy Pay. It looks like you may have a case here. So as long as you hold 022, I would say the bottom is in. And we can try to bounce and move higher. But of course, if that is what is in play, your first resistance is going to be your 200-day EMA here for about a 14% move to that 2.5 penny mark there. So 2.5 is your next stop if you do bounce. And then you have your 21, which is curled down here for about a 27% move. At the moment, it is at 0.28. But if this is going to be the bottom, you got a lot of resistance to get over here. So they are all curling down. The 50 has not yet crossed the 70, so that could be a good sign there. So if we get a reversal here and we do bounce, that would be very good. But first, if we do bounce, watch your 200 at 2.5 pennies, and that is going to be your first resistance to get over for ACH here. With that said, you can see the stock RSI is reset down here. So if this thing can curl up, you can see the line there. The blue line is curled down at the moment, if you can see that. So we want to see this thing start to curl up and get a nice little gap between here with the blue above the orange, just like back here, and start moving back over the 20 line here, and then we'll get some momentum back to the upside. And you can also see I have the money flow index indicator on the chart here, and usually when this thing is down here below the 20 mark, that's usually a buy signal that the money flow is about to reverse and go back up. So we'll see if that is the case. Once you get both of these moving back up, then there's potential that ACH is going to have a nice bounce. But right now, really the only thing you can do is watch the support level here at 2.2. If you take off that 2.2, you can see we are printing red on the Heikinashi. It is getting tiny here, so we may have a green one spawn in and get us to reverse back to the upside on Alchemy Pay here. So the moment you lose 2.2, then all of what I just said is out the window, and you're coming down here to your 786 support at 0.17 for a 21% drop on ACH, which may be the case because everything looks like it wants to push the price down here. So other than that, that's all I really got on Alchemy Pay at the moment. We're trying to hold support here and see if we can bounce and start grinding back up to these higher price levels. But like I said, if you lose 2.2, then you're coming down here to 1.7, and then you're probably going to have all these curling down more, pushing your price down more, and we're officially going to be out of this little uptrend and into a downtrend. So a shift in the momentum here. So just watch 2.2 here. It's a big price to watch on ACH here. So we'll leave it at that. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.